Alright, dark is here, so we're going to start on the night fireworks. So we're going to start out with the number 8 gold sparkler. Well, didn't stay lit. Well, like I say, the sparklers are not too good, so we'll move on. Alright, we're going to move on to the crackling balls. That one jumped. Well, them things like to jump around. Let's see if I can get these last two. Alright, we're going to do the 2 June bugs at the same time. Them things last forever. I love them. This is the happiness fountain. Wow, short but sweet. Alright, this is the lightning rod. Wow, I gotta say, man, these fountains are small, but man, they're good. All right, this is the last firework in the assortment pack, and it's the Legends fountain. So far, all the fountains have been great, so let's check this one out. It was pretty short, but overall it was good. So well, that's it for the Cajun Kid assortment pack. I'll say it's well worth $10.99. I give it a thumbs up. Only bad thing about it was the sparklers, but you know, that's not a big deal. But I hope you all enjoyed watching the content, and I'll catch you on the next one.